Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on Kraken. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Kraken website right here, kraken.com. If you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just open up the App Store, search for Kraken, find application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, or if you're on your PC, it's going to go the same. The process is exactly the same. So this is going to be the main page from where we can get started. And the first thing we need to do is go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one by using the sign up button. If you have an account, you want to log in. So once you're logged in, we can get started trying Kraken. Here, as you can see, the top of the screen in the individual section, you can go ahead and get started buying stocks and doing futures trading. So by clicking buy stocks, it's going to take you to the next page where you can get started trading stocks. It's going to show you that you need to go ahead and log in, and now we can get started searching for the SpaceX stock. So basically guys, SpaceX is currently not in the public round. It is not open for buying by anybody, and it is currently in the private equity round. This means only private investors can get into it. So sometimes in the near future, we hope it's going to go public as an IPO and you're going to go and be able to get it into it. So just once that happens, you're going to come to Kraken, log into your account just like I explained, and go to the individual stock section right here, get started searching for SpaceX and start trading it by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.